In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace image in Adobe Express. If you're updating a design, swapping out an old photo for a new one is quick and clean when you know exactly where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few helpful tips so your new image looks polished and intentional. First, open your project in Adobe Express. Launch the app and open the design where you want to make the change. This could be a social post, a flyer, a presentation slide, anything you've already created and saved. Give it a second to load so all the tools appear in the left panel and the canvas is ready. Next, select the image you want to replace. Click or tap directly on that image on your canvas. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box or handles appear around it, confirming it's active. If the image seems unresponsive, make sure you're selecting the photo itself and not an overlay or text on top of it. Now, go to the Media panel. You'll find it on the left-hand side of the screen. If you don't see Media right away, look for an Add Content button, then choose Media. This is where you manage files, upload new items, or browse available libraries. With the image still selected, look for the Replace option. You'll typically see this in the context menu or quick action controls that appear when an image is selected. Click or tap. Replace to open your source options. When the Media panel appears, choose the new image you want to use. You can upload a file from your device or browse Adobe Stock to find a suitable replacement. If you're uploading, pick a clear, high-resolution image so it holds up well in your design. If you're using Adobe Stock, make sure the license or availability fits your needs. Select the image to confirm the swap. Adobe Express will place the new photo exactly where the old one was, keeping the general layout intact so your design doesn't fall out of alignment. Finally, adjust and position the new image. Use the corner handles to resize without distorting it, and drag to reposition it inside the frame. If cropping is needed, use the crop controls to refine the focal point. Aim to keep consistent margins, align with nearby elements, and match the visual style of your project. A quick before and after glance can help you confirm that the new image complements your text, colors, and overall layout. Adobe Express typically auto-saves, so once it looks right, you're done.